to my channel. Today I will be creating a Dollar Tree Christmas DIY sign. This high-end Dollar Tree DIY is so cheap and easy to make. It cost me for both pieces about $2.50, but I only used less than half of the material to create it. And you can find these type of signs on Etsy shop for approximately $60 or so, give or take, depending on the size and what you want on it. I also want to mention that this video is part of Christina from DIY Mommy. It's a Christmas DIY and decor challenge. I will have Christina's channel linked down below, as well as the playlist, so you can make sure to check out both of those after you are finished watching my video. So I picked up this canvas, which is the largest canvas that the dollar store sells, and I like using these if you have watched my videos, and I love the frame that's inside of them. This time around I will not be using the canvas, so I take it apart and I will keep the canvas for another project. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonia, and on my channel you will find thrift flips, trash to treasures, dollar store DIYs, and furniture makeovers. I also have a home and a cooking channel, which will all be linked down below. Then I go ahead and stain this frame with very thin wood stain in dark walnut. And I use a rag to stain it as usual. I have also picked up this blackboard from Dollar Tree. It is just a black foam board, and it's great if you're trying to create that blackboard chalkboard look. I traced the frame on top of the blackboard, and the blackboard will be my backing for this frame. Now for the next part, I was thinking about using a Cricut machine, but I thought it might be just easier for me to write it, but you can totally use a stencil or make a stencil on a Cricut machine or just use the vinyl cutout from the Cricut machine. I'm using this white chalk marker to write my Merry Christmas out, and I'm just using a picture on my phone as a guide for my writing.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
Now when I add the thickness to my letters, I always go to the parts of the letter that go down and I make those thicker.
It's Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this
Last thing that I do is I add some rope to the back so I can hang it up. I'm using hot glue, but you can also use staples. I didn't have good enough staples. I only had strong staples and I was worried it was gonna split the frame. So make sure you have the correct staples for that.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the...
So here it is. I think it turned out so nice and it looks amazing on my front porch, hanging on the light post, on the light. So I would like to thank Christina for hosting this challenge, and don't forget to check out her channel as well as the playlist linked down below. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. If you would like to see a full finished decorated front porch, it is in this playlist as well from my home channel, so make sure you check that one out as well. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening.